Alright, please not try to violate this nigga Omar.
Omar, go get him, man.
Omar gets violated by me, so it's
Omar
like.
can do good kicks too.
Ooh.
Slam this nigga. Wait, you know when you did that Cobra Kai?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like Omar can do good kicks.
Ooh. Yeah, in the head. In the freaking head, you kept flopping off my face.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, that's why I don't like headgear, bro. That's just annoying.
You wanted to.
I think you got fetch with kicking or something.
I do. Like, I've been kicking since I was small.
That always
Since he was in the womb.
Indeed.
Yo, good fakes, Omar. Good fakes.
Oh, yeah, Omar. Oh, yeah.
Some fucking know what to do when but you stand the fuck away from your fucking legs, fucking attacking with legs.
You man. See, I'm a big guy like him. Going in fisting.
Nah,
No.
you had to fucking keep it.
That's why I always kept kicking, because see him, see me, it's different. No.
I'm not gonna lie, Maurice, you fucking lied to
Nice.
me.
Yo,
You are
good shit,
not
bro.
rusty as shit. Like, bro. You
No,
been
I'm
training.
dead rusty.
Nah,
I do not
maybe
remember how to
in
fight.
combat against someone, but you definitely been training. There's no fucking way. There's no fucking
Only
way
with the leg
you haven't been
training.
training.
That's it.
Bro, that shit caught me off guard, man. That shit definitely caught me off guard. Why can't he spell? Now they're going in.
Oh shit.
Oh, oh, oh,
Yeah, y'all got it.
oh, they're going.
Come on, Omar.
Oh, shit.
Nigga, think it's Cobra Kai, bro.
Nigga pulled Miguel Diaz. Okay, Omar definitely got better defensively.
Nah, he didn't get I do versus and shit. He's good.
Omar is the main character.
Just
Now, whoa, he got that Miguel Diaz hairstyle. You see that shit?
You got 10 seconds.
Strike first, strike hard, no mercy.
Oh, shit.
Get him, comrade. Yeah.
Hey, yo, Omar, tell him why Cobra Kai never
That's
died.
time.